and experienced by an eyesight can detect the problem and suggest the solution. Today's story is around experience counts than anything else. The story goes like this. One of Japan's biggest cosmetics companies received a complaint that a consumer had bought a soapbox that was empty. Immediately the authorities informed the problem to the assembly line. The assembly line informed the delivery department to stop all deliveries. Management immediately joined the war room. The war room started discussion that there were soapboxes which went through the assembly line empty. Post the discussions, the war room managers decided in consultation with engineers to devise an X-ray machine with high-resolution monitors manned by 2 people to watch all the soapboxes that passed through the line to make sure they were not empty. The management thought the solution was not cost-effective and the chances of X-ray machines with high resolutions might even not detect the empty boxes. This problem was posed as challenge to all the employees in the organization. A rank-and-file employee named Akira was working for this soap company since 25 years. Akira was a dedicated employee and during his work had trained several of his colleagues. During his trainings, Akira always inspired employees of doing things differently and taught them the context of keeping things simple. He was also not convinced with the complications of X-rays, etc. in the challenge posed by the organization. Akita thought a lot while sleeping on bed. He was thinking while looking at ceiling at home. Immediately he got a solution and ran to the management. Management asked for the idea. Akira said, "I don't believe in telling stories. I will show you the solutions," and took the management members to the assembly line. He bought a strong industrial electric fan and pointed it at the assembly line. He switched the fan on, and as each soapbox passed the fan, it simply blew the empty boxes out of the line. The management was very impressed with this idea and awarded Akira. The moral of the story are, simple solutions often are more effective. We often overlook the simplest of the solutions. 2. Excellence often come only after being experienced. 3. Always think of doing things differently. 4. Be practical, do not believe in stories which we do not know is true or not. 5. Rationale defeats subjectivity. Thank you. I will come back with more stories that will change your life. Have a nice day ahead. Stay tuned.